In this video, you'll get a quick guide on how to earn Adidas app points, fast and legit. This is your full 2025 tutorial. Let's get started. Step 1. Sign up for AdiClub. Create an account on the Adidas app or website. Then, complete your profile to activate point earning. Step 2. Make purchases while signed in. Always be logged in when shopping on the Adidas app or on adidas.com. Every purchase you make earns you points. Step 3. Join Adidas Runners events. Use the Adidas running or training apps by Runtastic. Make sure your runs are tracked by GPS, or that your workouts are tracked by time. To start earning points. Step 4. Leave product reviews. Whenever you buy something, leave a review. It's an easy way to grab extra points. Step 5. For in-store purchases. Show your AdiClub pass at checkout. Or give your email or AdiClub ID to the cashier. Step 6. When do points show up? For online orders, after your order has shipped. For in-store purchases, usually within 24 hours. In some cases, it can take up to a week. Step 7. Still no points after a week? Contact Adidas customer service. They'll help you fix the issue. And that's it. Now you know how to earn points on the Adidas app in 2025. If this tutorial helped you, give it a like, share it. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.